Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design flower path with flex command in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. We start from front plan, so right click and click sketch. In here, we use a millimeter unit. We can change in below like this and checklist millimeter in it. Then draw line. Draw line like this, and to this. Like this. Ensure this line is make vertical. Then set the dimension for high in here, for example in 270 millimeter, and for this line uh, have width 25 millimeter, and this line have width 60 millimeter, like this. For example, I set the dimension like this. After we make line like this, we just make spline, draw like this and this. Then set the dimension for distance this point to this line have high 150 millimeter, for example, and this point to this line have distance in 60 millimeter. Like that. Don't forget in here the width this line and this point set, for example in 50 millimeter, this line and this point, for example I set in 70 millimeter for distance. After we make a sketch like this, we just go to feature and select revolve boss or base, and for axis of revolution click this line. Just click OK. Okay. After we make export to solid part like this, click this icon, display style, and click in here, hidden lines visible. After that, select from then again, right click and click sketch. Then we just to make spline again, draw spline like this to this point. Then set the dimension in here for height to bottom line. We set in, for example, 170 millimeter. This point to this line have distance high in 80 millimeter. Then don't forget for this point and this point have distance. For example, I set in 75 millimeter, like this. Then this point to this point have distance 25 millimeter, for example, like this. And this point to this point have distance 20 millimeter. After we set the dimension like this, we just go to feature and click swipe boss or base and select circular profile. For diameter, we change in for in 15 millimeter, like this. Just click this line. Sorry, in here for diameter set in 50 millimeter. After that, select or click option, ensure we checklist align with and face to be like this. Then just click OK. Select again display style and select set with edge, like this. We just make a sketch like this. So we just select a feature and select circular button. Then for feature and face, select swipe point and direction, select this edge. For example, in here is 15 millimeter. Just click OK. And like this. After that, we want to set the fillet or each edge. So select fillet in here, and fillet parameter we change in 2 millimeter in here. For item to fillet, click right click on your mouse, left click on your mouse and drag like this. Select all image. We just wait until we finish the program. Item to fillet, we select all edge and just in 2 millimeter for fillet parameter. Click OK, and like this, and simple. After that, you see again the sketch like this. We select the shell and parameter for shell in here. For the method or thickness, we set in for example in 5 millimeter. For face, click top face in here, or this face, and checklist show preview like this. Then just click OK, and simple like this. And for the top, we set fillet again in this edge in 1 millimeter, for example. Click this face, just click OK. And we want to twist this swap boss, this flower pot, with go to menu and select insert and click feature, select flex command in here. In here for flex input, click in twisting, and for flex input, click this part, and then we just set a twisting in 70 degree, for example, for angle. Just click OK. We until the wait until the finish the command or flex twisting. Okay, just a minute, and done. Like this, we just using flex command to twist the sweep boss and select all the feature. We change the color, maybe in here color, and just click OK, and done. Thank you very much for watching until the end video. I apologize if there are any mistake of error in this material. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.